It's your girl Shanique. Welcome back to my kitchen. And today, as you can see from my display, I'll be making some sorrel. So Christmas is fastly approaching, and sorrel is one very popular drink that is drunk in the Jamaican culture at Christmas time. Very infamous Ray and Neville white rum, ginger and sugar, and of course sorrel is all the ingredients that you'll need. I am not in Jamaica at the moment. I do not have fresh sorrel, but what I do have is some dried or dehydrated sorrel, and it's 100 gram, and I will be using 4 liters. My pot's over there with the water. I have 4 liters of water in there, so I'm just gonna add 100 gram of sorrel to 4 liters of water. So first things first is to get your water boiling, and I'm just going to turn the fire on now. And then what I do, I will beat the ginger, like beat it like that with something to get it semi-crushed, and then so the flavors can come out and be infused in the water. I like the ginger to be very potent in my sorrel. So what I do, I will boil the ginger for about 5 minutes on its own, and then I'll add the sorrel. Some people, they don't boil their sorrel. They just boil up the water and put the ingredients in and leave it to draw overnight, while I will boil it and then I will leave it for a couple of hours to draw, because I like the flavor to be rich. So let's get the ginger ready. So here we have 150 grams of ginger. I just scraped, well, most of the skin off of it and gave it a little rinse. And now I'm just going to beat them a bit, get them squashed so the flavors can come out. And people, I don't have no rolling pin or nothing. I just rinse off the bottom of my rum and squash it like that. Yeah. And that's how I do it. So crushed ginger so that the flavor and the juices can be infused into the water. So as I said, I have 4 liters of water here. It hasn't really come to a boil yet, but it's almost there. But I'm still going to put my ginger in the pot and wait for it to start boiling. And I will let the ginger boil on its own for 5 minutes, so the flavors them can come right out in the water before I add my sorrel and leave it to boil for another 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait for the water to start boiling. Once it starts boiling, I let it continue to boil for 5 minutes. Don't worry about all the trash and stuff. It will all be strained. So now it's time for the sorrel. I mean, I don't know what them do with the sorrel before they put it in the bag here. So I normally just pour it out into my strainer, give it a good little rinse underneath my tap, and before I put it into the pot to boil. So let's get that done right now. So people, you see why it's very important for you to rinse your stuff before emptying it into the pot? Because like when you look what I just found in there. This look like it's a coal or something. I don't know, alright. But you know what? I'm just gonna wash it, bless it, and boil it. See, maybe not dash it away. Yes, people, you see how ginger boil? They boil for a good little while, probably even more than 5 minutes. So you're just gonna add it in. That's that. So I'm just gonna let this boil for 5 minutes, and then I will turn it off and then put the lid on there and leave it to draw and just get all the flavors and everything out. So yes guys, look at it, it's all done. Very rich in color. So I just want to update you guys. So I strained it, and this is the day after. So I left it to brew or to draw overnight, and this is what it's looking like. So initially, early on in the video, you guys saw that I put 100 grams of sorrel. I ended up putting another 100 grams and also another 100 grams of ginger. So in total I used 250 grams of ginger and 200 grams of sorrel to 4 liters of water. All right, so now I'm just gonna make this chill, pour it out in my jug, and that's it. I'll let you guys see what it's looking like in my glass. So guys, also I tipped a bit of red label wine in there, and you can put to your liking. If you want a small amount, if you want enough, it's up to you. Also with the rum, I think in total I put 1 cup of rum in there. I might put a bit more, but we'll see. But you just put the amount that you want. Guys, see it there, all done. Very rich. That's why it's looking so dark, not diluted, not too diluted. So my friend's here and I just gave him some. He doesn't want to be on the camera, but he's gonna taste it and he's gonna let you guys know his opinion. So go on, Andrew, my friend, drink.
Wow. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Oh, can I have some more?
And not too much rum.
Wow. No, everything is just excellent at the right spot. Right spot. Wow, I have to get my share.
Yeah, see a little bit clear. You can take that one home.
This is good. I love the color. I love the color. The color is brilliant.
Okay.
I can see that it's a real McCoy. No dilutes.
Yes, it does have big up my head, so don't. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also, Christmas will come, please do make some sorrel.